this morning we're gonna go head down the street and do a tintype. Dude, this place is so cool. I want to shoot here more. All right, here we go. Let's go and fix her. It's hard, dude. It's hard to know exactly where you want things. It looks pretty good though, dude. The like colors are really nice. Dude, I think that looks really good. I'm like super pleased with that, honestly. Maybe we just call it here and we say, cool, mission accomplished. You know, we have our nice shot.